Thinking about learning to scuba dive? Maybe you're excited. Maybe you're nervous. Maybe you're wondering if you'll actually be able to do it. The good news is that thousands of people of all ages successfully complete their open water diving course every year. Welcome to Valkyrie Divers. My name is Gerard, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what to expect, what you'll learn, and how to prepare so you can start your scuba diving journey with confidence. The open water diving course is the world's most popular scuba certification. Once completed, you'll be certified to dive with a buddy without direct instructor supervision, typically to a maximum depth of 18 meters or 60 feet. One of the biggest misconceptions about scuba diving is that you need to be super fit. You don't. If you're reasonably healthy, comfortable in the water, and meet the minimum age requirements, there's a good chance you can learn to dive. So let's look at the course structure. Most open water courses have three main parts: knowledge development, confined water training, and open water dives. First, you'll learn the basic theory behind diving. Don't worry, it's not a university exam. You'll learn how pressure affects the body, how your equipment works, basic dive planning, underwater communication, and essential safety procedures. You'll also become familiar with your scuba equipment. Your instructor will explain what each piece does and how to assemble it correctly. Next comes pool or confined water training. This is where you'll learn and practice all the skills you need underwater. Everything is introduced gradually and practiced in a controlled environment. You'll learn skills such as mask clearing, regulator recovery, sharing air, buoyancy control, and safe ascents. Many new students worry about getting things wrong. That's completely normal. The course is designed for beginners. Your instructor expects mistakes and will help you to learn at your own pace. Once you're comfortable with the skills, it's time for the exciting part, the open water dives. You'll complete several, normally 4, training dives, and normally over 2 days, in the ocean, lake, or quarry under instructor supervision. During these dives, you'll demonstrate the skills you practiced in confined water and begin exploring the underwater world. Each dive builds confidence and experience. Now, most students worry about equalizing, breathing underwater, removing their mask, or simply feeling nervous. These concerns are completely normal. Good instructors work step by step and help students overcome these challenges safely. In terms of preparation, you can make your course easier by getting comfortable in the water, being well rested, staying hydrated, and arriving with a positive attitude. By the end of the course, you'll have learned valuable diving skills, gained confidence underwater, and opened the door to incredible adventures around the world. After successfully completing the course, you'll receive your open water diver certification. This certification allows you to dive around the world within your training limits and to continue your diving education. The open water diver course isn't about being perfect. It's about learning safely, building confidence, and developing the skills to enjoy one of the most incredible activities on Earth. Take your time, trust the process, and enjoy the journey. The underwater world is waiting. If you're thinking about learning to dive, tell us in the comments what excites you most about becoming a diver. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join the Valkyrie Divers community for more diving tips, training advice, and underwater adventures. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.